So this is exactly how to manually set up APN settings on any Android phone. And by doing this, you don't need a particular APN settings for different operators such as T-Mobile, Airtel, Vodafone, and VI, something like that. So what you have to do is open your mobile settings, tap on the connections, and for iOS, I would add steps ahead. For Android, this is keep going, tap on connections, get into mobile networks. In this option, tap on access point names. In this option, tap on this add icon, or it might have a plus icon on some devices. Tap on it, tap on name, give it any name. So we are just doing the subscribe. Now in the APN field, like there are multiple operators like T-Mobile, Q-Link, but instead of adding their APNs, what you have to do, add a general APN, which is internet. Now this is one of the general APN settings which works for all the carriers across the globe. So set this, keep everything like this, and get here, tap on APN type. Here tap on default, and then add the MMS in this section. Tap on OK, and you have done adding this. Simply tap on three dots and tap on save. This is how you can save this APN settings, which is this, and it works flawlessly on all the Android devices. Also, the APN that I have currently selected is the same APN. Let me show you. So I just save a mobile data config APN internet, and in the APN type I have already added the default and MMS in this section, and internet is working good. And this is how you can manually set up APN settings on any Android or Samsung device. I'm doing this on my Samsung M33. You can do this on any phone.